Hi guys, today I'm going to show you these iDiskk E11 hybrid active noise cancellation Bluetooth headphones. They can reduce up to 40 decibel of noise or up to 95% of it. They have a runtime of up to 60 hours. The main structure of these headphones are made of some special polymer plastic which allows to bend it more than 1000 times, and the large 40mm drivers can provide really high resolution sound with some decent bass support and with a lot of cushion on top and on the side. They are supposed to be super comfortable, but let's take them out and see. By the way, here the specs if you don't already have them. And so here is how we get it in the box. Comes also with this large user guide, very detailed instructions in 6 different languages: English, German, Italian, Spanish, French, and even Japanese. What's of course also very interesting is that we have the full phone controls. We can accept the call, reject the call, and we have the full music control. So with pressing the minus for 2 seconds we can go to the next track. Pressing 2 seconds on the plus we go back to the previous track, or put it on pause, play again, increase or decrease the volume. And there's even a dual pairing option, so we can have it paired to 2 different phones, for example. And if needed, you can also remove the Bluetooth connection by just pressing the minus button for 8 seconds. And in the accessories you get 2 cables, one USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and we get even a standard 3.5mm audio cable. So we can not only use it with Bluetooth, we can also use it wired. For example, even in an airplane, if you have a 3.5mm jack, you can feel the really nice cushion here everywhere. You can see they are also bendable to all the sides and also very flexible regarding the head shape. Also some great cushion here on top, and they are expandable here on both of the sides, so you can make them pretty large. You can see they move also like that. Inside we have an R and an L, so we know on which side to use. But of course, first I recommend to give it a full charge down here, and after that we can turn them on here with a long press. They go automatically into pairing. You can see red, blue flashing. And so I've opened the Bluetooth settings of my phone, scanning for new devices, and I have it already here. iDiskk E11A, click on that. Do you want to pair? Yes, I want to pair. And I heard already from the headphones that it's connected. Definitely super easy. And so these are the settings which we get from these headphones. So we have call, we have audio. Also very important feature for me is where we have these buttons. Here we see that's the right side. And so when we have it like that, you will have the control here in the back on the right thumb. This is exactly where I usually want it. I've seen it with other headsets in some other location, but I didn't like that. That's my favorite position. And we also have these bumps here, which are really easy to find with the thumb. So we have the up, we have the down, on, off, and here we have the active noise cancellation button. Yeah, and so I've been wearing them for quite some time, listening to music, also making some phone calls, and everything has been working actually really good. And not only listening to music was great, but also making calls made a lot of fun because it has a really good microphone built in. I've recorded a sample for you so you can listen to that now. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I would say for a Bluetooth microphone definitely really good. I mean, it's probably not the greatest headset which you can find on the planet. 40mm driver. Yeah, they have definitely some bass sound. I would say even some decent bass sound, but not absolutely bombastic bass sound. If you need that, then you have to go for something else. But I would say really decent. Also the other modes have been working really good even while playing the music. So you can use the active noise cancellation even while playing music or listen to like Netflix or whatsoever. So it will remove a lot of the noise outside, but you can turn it off. Then you have it just like a normal headset. Or you can even activate the transparency mode if somebody comes and wants to talk to you. You don't have to remove your headset. Then it will pick up everything with the microphone and transmit it to the speaker inside. So you have all the options. But I would say the active noise cancellation did definitely not remove everything. I mean, it removed some stuff, definitely noticeable more than just in the normal mode, but not extreme, I would say. And it has also some little bit of white noise, which most of the ANC headsets have, and they were somehow comfortable to wear. At least I would say for small and medium head size, they work really good. For larger head size like I have, yeah, maybe over time can put quite some pressure on the ears. I definitely felt that. The ear cups are actually pretty large, so when you have them like that, they don't put real pressure on the ears, but they put quite some pressure around the ears. They are large enough to fit for larger heads, but then they put quite some pressure on the heads. That's something which you have to know. So they really have a lot, almost everything which you can expect, but of course they are not top notch. I would say they are a really decent option. Currently they are priced around $40. I would say, yeah, why not? They are definitely decent for this price range. I would say probably hard to find something better in the same price range, but of course for $100 you can find better stuff than that, but still a really decent thing. No real problems which I've been able to find. So if you're still interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check them out and order one for you or for your friends or family or whatsoever. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.